Hello everyone, in this video we will get to know how we can create enumerator and monitor in Git application. So for that, first of all we will need to log in as an admin or subadmin. So here I am using subadmin credentials to log into the system. So after logging into the application, on the extreme left over here we can see the administration menu. In this administration menu, under the user management section, we can see the users. When we click on this users, we can see register user over here. We will have to click on this register user to create a user. That user can be an enumerator or a monitor. So first of all we will see how to create an enumerator. So let's fill in some basic details like name, mobile number, email ID, address, etc. So here I'm filling in some basic details. Creating the user ID, then creating password for this. Confirm password. Then now because we are creating an enumerator, we have to select the roles. So in select roles we will click on enumerator, as we have to create enumerator. If we want to create a monitor, we will click on monitoring. After that we will select organization. Then we will have to select the region type. Region type is basically to which level we need to associate our enumerator to. For example, we can associate our enumerator to the state level, district level, or tehsil or village. So here I'm selecting the district. So select the state and then select a district from these options. And then we have to select a default region. So we will provide the details for that. And now we will click on save user. As soon as we click on save user, our enumerator has been created. We can search for our enumerator from here. So this is the enumerator we have created. Now for creating a monitor, the procedure is same as that of the enumerator. So let's quickly fill in the basic details. And now because we are creating a monitor, so we have to select monitoring from the select roles options. So after selecting the role, now select the organization, select the region type. This time I'm choosing the tehsil level, so I'll have to provide the details to choose this tehsil. and select default region. And save user. So this will save the user we have created as a monitor. So this is the procedure to create enumerator and monitor in Git application. Thank you.